Hello, my name is Giulia Rosellini and I'm a medical application engineer at Materialise. In this video, I'm going to give you some options on where you can find help regarding your Mimics Innovation Suite. First of all, directly in our software. Both Mimics and Trimetic have an help tab where you can find a direct link to the user guide. Here, there are a lot of information on the functionalities of the software. For example, the Mimics menus contains an explanation for each and all buttons. And the same for Trimetic. You can navigate through the titles or use the search bar. In the help tab of both Mimics and Trimetic, there is also a direct link to the scripting guide. Here, for example, you can find help on how to set up your scripting module, or find all the available API to automate your workflow. The next one is the Mimics Viewer platform, where clicking on the help on the top of your screen, you can access useful information, as for example, the user manual, or more details on AI algorithms for automatic segmentation. Let's go back to Mimics. There is a quick and easy way to send feedback to the development team of Materialise directly from within a specific function. The feedback can be about any specific improvement related to this one tool or a general one. In this case, you can go to the Help tab and select Send Feedback. We always advise you to enter your email so the team can come back to you. If you are passionate about scripting or you want to discover how to make the most out of MIS through Python scripts, then you really should join our scripting forum at community.materialise.com. Here you can find other user scripts, tutorials, you can ask questions, or share your experience. In case you are looking for a tutorial or a webinar on Materialise products and services, what you need to do is to go to materialise.com/academy. Navigate to Healthcare, choose the product you are looking for, and select among the different sources. For example, in the MIS section, the tutorial videos are categorized according to the different topics. That makes it really easy to find what you're looking for. If you feel you need more instructions on how to use the software than just a tutorial video, then a training or an online course might be ideal for you. Contact your local account manager to find out more. On the website password.materialise.com, by entering your CC key and your system ID, you can generate a new key file for your license. Another thing that you can do here is to download the latest version of Materialise software, selecting it from the drop-down menu. In case you have technical problem with your license, please contact our expert by the following email addresses according to your location. Last, don't hesitate to reach out to your local account manager and application engineer. Thank you for watching.